Previously on the Copper Coast.
Oh, and this is it. This is the beach. I didn't realise we'd get to it this fast. Wow. Yeah, there's a few steps downish. And it winds around, as you can see there. So, the local authorities done a good job with those railings. And there seems to be some kind of unusual structure there, stone structure, a monolith or such. And it looks as if it could be man-made, but I believe it is completely natural. And you rarely get anything like this in this day and age. So we'll just make it down to the bottom and take a closer look at it. We're almost there now. Yeah, it's pretty safe, the pathway anyway, going to it, nothing to worry about. And here is this stone structure, close up in all its glory there. Just circle around it. There's actually a few unusual features on this beach looking around, which I've never come across in any parts of the coastal areas of Ireland. Like this, for example, a little hidey hole cave. I say if you're desperate for a place to stay overnight, that'll do you. Looks as if it could be warm. And then as we carry on, you have a duplex there. So they spoil you here. The lounge and the bedroom on top. And it's landscape garden too. You have your mini waterfall there. Oh, it's cool. Might have a gander inside. See how deep it goes. There's a rope hanging off it. Ah, it only stops here, it doesn't go that far. Right, back out of it. That's a rather interesting beach. I'm quite impressed with it. And I'm sure that because it's out of the way and it's a little bit secret, it will not be packed to the rafters with people. Actually, we're not quite finished here at Turnabo, because right where I am, as soon as you go back up the steps, you just take a right onto this headland and you see a lovely view of both Turnabo Beach, where I was before, Beach of the Cow, and flipping over to the other side, you can see all the way back to Bunmahon Beach. So in effect, it's not that far. I think I barely walked 5 minutes to get here, because I was told it was going to be 2 kilometres or 10 minutes walk or something like that. But just be careful, there's a bit of long grass here and stuff, and you could easily twist your ankle if you're not careful or lose your footing. Well, it's all good fun. Let's just see where the end of this headland goes. Really is a gorgeous evening out here. Oh, the light is amazing. Okay, there's a little bit of a footpath there. We go through the gorse hedges. And lots of rocky formations here as well. This is cool. We might have another view back to Turnabo Beach. And look at that. You can see down. There's a couple of people there as well. And the sun is setting just over it. And let's go over to the other side. See what's there. A bit of a sketchy path, but we can do it. Well, if I could do those rocks on the far side of Albufeira heading towards the strip, and that was a doddle. Right, looks like We're at the peak of it here. And looking down at the beach. It's a lovely view here. I advise a bit of caution if you're not fully abled or have a bit of a modicum of fitness about you. Well, it's doable anyway. And here's a view of just where I've walked from. And a little bit further, you can see that staircase as well. The sun is starting to set here at Tranabo, and just before we shut up shop at this location, I just wandered to this headland, and you can see some lovely views. This is looking facing onto the other beach, the next beach along. Have a look at that. It's just some very wow scenery along the gorgeous Copper Coast, and looking back to the original beach here, Tranabo. Until the next installment of the Copper Coast, don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, hit the bell button, and leave any positive comments if you've enjoyed my vlog. And I shall see you in the next one. Until then, take care.